Dear friends, today we shall discuss exercise 2.3 question number 5. Sally plants 4 saplings in a row in her garden. The distance between two adjacent saplings is 3 by 4 meter. Find the distance between the first and the last sapling. Right? Let us draw here. Suppose this is the first sapling. This is the first sapling. This is the second sapling. This is the third sapling. And this is the fourth sapling. Right? Here you see the distance between two adjacent saplings is 3 by 4 meter. The distance between the two saplings is 3 by 4 meter. Here the distance between them is also 3 by 4 meter. And the distance between them is also 3 by 4 meter. 3 by 4 meter. Therefore, the distance between the first and last sapling will be sum of 3 by 4 meter plus 3 by 4 meter plus 3 by 4 meter. Right? Here you see the distance between the first and second is 3 by 4, between second and third is 3 by 4, and between third and fourth is 3 by 4 meter. Therefore, we can say that the distance between the first and last sapling is equal to 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4. 3 by 4 meter. Or you can write 1, 2, 3, that is 3 into 3 by 4. That is 3 into 3 by 4 meter. That is equal to 3 3 is 9 by 4 meter. And if we divide 9 by 4, 9 divided by 4, we are getting 4 2s are 8. 9 minus 8 is 1. That is, we are getting 4 whole, 2 whole, 1 by 4 meter. Right? This is the answer. Right? The distance between the first and last sapling is 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4 meter. Therefore, 3 into 3 by 4, that is 9 by 4. And by 4, and that is equal to 2 whole 1 by 4 meter. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.